Hello, welcome back guys to Filmora channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to use template in Filmora on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly here, of course you just have to open the Filmora applications. And now if you wanna use the template from the Filmora applications, just simply tap on this option, which is template option. And now you can go to this edit options guys. Here I'm gonna use these templates for example. Tap on these templates. Now tap on this use option at the bottom guys. And now here you can allow to access to your gallery or album on your phone. And now you just have to choose for the video or the photo that you wanna add it. Now you just have to tap on this import if you're done. And yeah, it will look like this guys. This is the templates that I have choose before. And also here you can tap on this edit if you want to change the photo or the video that you add before. Choose for the specific music here, or you can also add to the text on your video and etc. Now if you're done, just tap on this export to save to your phone. And yeah guys, I think it's enough for me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.